Welcome back. Continuing the news now. Stakeholders in the fisheries sector are being promised duties relief similar to those enjoyed by manufacturers. The Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Floyd Green believes the move could stimulate the fast-growing fish farming business in the country. The success story from agriculture in COVID-19. That's how Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Floyd Green views aquaculture, in particular fish farming. According to the minister, the industry has grown during the pandemic, and that is not something many areas of agriculture can boast. The minister was speaking on a tour of a fish farm in Clarendon on Monday. He's assessing ways to increase the output of the fish farming business in order to meet the growing local and foreign demand.
If you ask me what are some of the opportunities that COVID have brought for our agriculture and fisheries sector, aquaculture will be one of those tremendous opportunities. And what we're seeing by Mr. Bunting's experience is that we're seeing at least a 50% to 100% increase in demand for these freshwater fish. And as such, we need to be able to satisfy that demand.
Players in the fish farming and the fisheries sector are also being promised incentives to ensure the sector continues to grow.
What I've said to the National Fisheries Authority, one, we have to provide customs with people who are registered so that they know the bona fide people who are treated in the fisheries sector. Once that is provided, then all the sort of relief that we provide to other industries, such as manufacturing, that has to be provided for those in agriculture and in fish.
And come next year, Jamaicans will also be asked to include more tilapia in their diet as the farmers are increasing their production of the fish. In addition, the Minister of Agriculture says he'll be exploring mentorship programs between schools and aquaculture farmers.
When you tell somebody and when you actually see it in operation, it gives you a much different feel, right? And I think it would be good at various levels, starting with some of the people who are already in fish farming, who are at the lower level, to see how you can move, transition and reach where Mr. Bunting is, and also starting with some of our students, our children, right? Because again, if you're going to change the culture around anything, the earlier you start, the better.